Okay, so unfortunately, due to the current lockdown, I can't go into London to do a proper product demo, but we will try to replicate that by spoofing our GPS. So I'm going to choose a random location in Covent Garden, which is quite a touristy, popular area in London, and then I'll open the app. Hopefully that works.
You're now in Covent Garden, home to one of London's most famous markets. It's a busy area of the West End that combines historic charm with a great choice of shopping and entertainment. Covent Garden again. Covent Garden.
So as you saw, the app picked up the fact that you're in Covent Garden, and it triggered the content automatically for that. So you can turn this phone off, as in you can turn the screen off, put the headphones in, and it will still trigger audio content for that particular neighborhood. And that's essentially the essence of Stumbl, right? So we're continuously monitoring your location. If you're near anything of interest, so see any of these icons, these represent different attractions. Or if you enter a particularly famous neighborhood like Soho or Covent Garden or Mayfair, it will automatically trigger audio content for that particular attraction. So that's how Stumbl essentially works. And what you can't do, so for instance, you've got to walk to that attraction, so you can't click on any of these icons, you can't swipe the screen. That's intentional because we want people to go out there and explore, rather than being able to sort of trigger content while sitting in your hotel room. What you can do is press the Stumbl logo, and that will give you a brief snapshot of the attractions within the immediate vicinity. So that's a 3-minute walking distance, and these are all the attractions within a 3-minute walk from you. Okay, but to trigger the content, you've got to walk to that attraction. That's kind of part of the philosophy of Stumbl. The other thing you can do is you can create a tour from your current location to a desired end destination. So let's say you're meeting a friend of yours in Oxford Street. You can either search for Oxford Street here, or you can type in Oxford Street, or any address. You could put in a postcode or a street, and it will pick that up as your final destination. So here we'll type in Oxford Street. Okay, so Oxford Street. And then you can use this scroll bar to choose how much time you have until you have to get to your final destination, which has been chosen as Oxford Street. So let's say you're meeting your friend in roughly 2 hours. All right, well, let's say it's around 2 hours. What Stumbl will do is create an optimized walking tour to Oxford Street while showing you all the attractions from your current location to Oxford Street. So that way you essentially meet your friend in time while seeing everything of interest on the way. So that's basically how Stumbl works. Yeah, hopefully that makes sense. Thanks.